Okay, and now we're gonna do the booster itself. I'm gonna show you how to curve this piece in order to make it nicely cylindrical like this, like the model. So for that, let's put this away. For that, you need some tools that will allow you to curve this piece. You cannot do it by hand, although if you want to try doing it, and just because of the width, you don't really have much area to grab to and to curve it. So you need a rod or a dowel. In this case, these are several dowels that you can obtain on a home and craft art supply, home and craft stores. So if I want to curve this piece, I'm gonna make use of the thicker one. So pretty straightforward. Just there's a hair here. Look how I do it. Very carefully. I try aligning it the middle, and then little by little I just curve it. Nice and easy. You really need a lot of patience to do this step, but you have the idea. You have to be very careful if you don't want to make any creases, unwanted folds that will damage the whole thing. Look how many times I have to do this, pressing this part with the dowel to shape it. You're actually molding it. So let's see how it looks. Alright, we're not there yet. This is just the beginning. Now you're gonna make use of a thinner dowel, and you're gonna do the same process. Very careful. Now, let's see. Keep. And even once it's shaped like this, you can make use of your hands and just doing rolling it until you can feel that it's you're collapsing the entire part. Look, not bad, huh? And you can still do that. Keep doing it. Now you can see this area that has the tab is still straight, so I'm going to fold it by putting it on the inner side and then rolling it. So let's see. Very gentle, you have to do this. And anyway, if you make an error, well, there's a little bit here. It's okay, no big deal. There's an error, you can just print out again and do it all over again. It's just a trial and error. I make sure that each edge is curved Look the way I'm doing it. I roll it, I roll it, roll it. You see? I keep rolling it, shaping it, pressing. Look. And you can still do it more and more and more. Let's keep doing it. You know, when you do this almost every day, you get a hang of it and you improve your skill. At the beginning, it's going to be a little harder for you if you're a beginner, but you have the idea now. Just technique. Look at this. See? Perfect circle. Perfect tube. That's what you gotta want. And then we're going to glue it. Now it's gonna be very easy because look, it's almost a closed cylinder. We just have to put glue on this side and then gluing it. All right, let's do that.